Hey teachers, it's Ashley. I want to share with you the tool that I used to create the digital curation on vocabulary that I shared with you earlier called Symbaloo. The reason that I love Symbaloo is because it is a really easy, quick way to store resources and websites and things that you have found that you want quick access to in the future. And I think Symbaloo is so user-friendly because it's something that you can use, or you can create your own Symbaloo for your students. And like I said, you can have all those resources in one area. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how to use Symbaloo. The first thing that I did was just open up the Google Chrome browser, and from there I just typed in Symbaloo. And as you can see, it takes you to the Symbaloo homepage. The first time that you log in, you will have to create a free account, and then from thereafter, you'll just click the sign in box. After you've done that, you'll click sign in, and it'll take you to your homepage. One thing that I really love about Symbaloo is that you can search and find pre-created web mixes from other people on different topics, or you can create your own like I did with the vocabulary digital curation. So I want to show you just an example of how to create your own web mix today. One thing that is really neat about Symbaloo is that you can change the tile colors and you can organize them just as I did, focusing on different areas. So for example, the orange boxes were all articles, while the green tiles were all on vocabulary and lessons, and the blue really focused on student resources, while yellow was things that you could view or listen to. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to create your own web mix. You're going to start by coming up here and clicking on the plus sign. And from there, it'll prompt you to add a web mix. You can add a blank one, or you can add an existing. So for our purposes, we're going to create a blank one. So I'm just going to name this Mrs. Clark's Resources, and then I'm going to click add. You will see that it'll generate it for you at the top, and as it comes up, it'll be a blank web mix. Okay? From here, I'm going to add a tile by clicking on where it says add a tile. From here, I'll click create a tile, and I'm going to come over here to a website called vocabulary.com that I want to save for future use. So I'm going to right click on that and copy, take that back to my web mix, paste it in, and then I'm going to jump down to where it says name, and it'll populate something, or you can put your own. I'm going to click show text. I'm going to choose the color tile that I want, and it'll generate an icon, or you can choose your own, whatever you think will be the easiest to help you remember what it is. And then you're going to click save, and as you can see, it generated a tile for me. This is the same tool that I use for my digital curation, and I hope that you found it helpful.